content is king, but context is God. You have to make sure that your content is published with the right context, or it will just fail, it will flop, because the context will override any content you put out there. Your context is God. Now, you might be wondering, what does it mean? How do you get context right? Well, one of the first keys to getting your context right is that you need to make sure your content is native to the platform on which you're operating. Every platform is different, and your content must fit the mold of that platform. It's like, think of every social media platform has its own language. So we have to speak that language to win on that platform. Not only that, the content has to be in the right context for your business. That narrative is really crucial. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a fitness channel, and suddenly one day you decide you're going to review the newest iPhone because it's new, it's out there, and it's getting a lot of traffic. So you decide to create a video for it. But the problem with that is that no matter how great your iPhone review video is, it's completely out of context for your business. It feels like an affiliate link, money grab strategy, and that kind of stuff will totally hurt your business. That great content will not only fail to grow your business, but it will actually have negative effects because it's totally out of context of what your business is about, which is fitness. But if you give it context and you can tell people how the new iPhone will help you become fitter with the new apps and the sensors and all those things and how it has changed the fitness game, now you're giving them context, and now suddenly that content actually might make sense. So remember, your content has to be the right context for your business in order for it to actually help you grow your business. Really crucial idea to understand. Content is king, but context is God.